Ready to unlock the potential of your multifamily property by putting it in front of millions of eyes. First, head over to Zillow.com. If you're aiming to rent out units, select List Your Rental. If you're looking to sell the entire property, click Sell. For this guide, we'll focus on selling a multifamily property, so let's proceed. As if you click Sell. Next, enter the complete address of your multifamily property into the search bar. Be as accurate as possible to ensure Zillow can correctly identify your property and pre-fill some details. Zillow will then prompt you to confirm property facts. Crucially, verify that the property type is correctly identified as multifamily and that the number of units listed is accurate. Update any incorrect information because this is essential for attracting the right buyers. High-quality photos are your best friend. Upload clear, well-lit images showcasing the property's exterior, common areas, and interiors of each unit type. The better the visuals, the more interest you'll generate. Now, fill out the property details section comprehensively. Include accurate square footage, lot size, and highlight all amenities like on-site laundry, parking, or outdoor spaces in the description. Craft a compelling narrative highlighting the property's unique selling points and investment potential. Time for pricing. Research comparable multifamily properties in your area to determine a competitive listing price. Zillow provides tools to help you analyze market trends. You can choose to set a firm price or explore options like auction if that suits your strategy. Before publishing, carefully preview your listing. Double-check for any errors in the details, photos, or pricing. Once you're satisfied, hit that publish button, and congratulations, your multifamily property is now live on Zillow.